Amy, just tell me what you've done today. What did you do at Rainbows today?
Well, we played games.
Yeah.
And we played this game because there was 2 bumblebees and everybody had to just stand on a flower, and then a bumblebee was under the flower, and whoever got it has to stay there and put it underneath another one. Whoever gets it again can do it. And then there was 2 new people, and we played a game catching things and then throwing it and then saying the name, because the new people don't know our name. And also we played a game where there was these little thingies and you had to pick a card, and if you want to do that you can. And then me and Tara, we played a game, we played racing, and we played a racing, and we challenged Tara and me.
Sounds cool. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
How was the first day back at school?
It was good.
What's that noise?